Welcome to ToothLogic, the smart way to manage your clinic. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through ToothLogic, the all-in-one digital management software that makes it easy to manage clinics, doctors, services, patients, and daily clinical operations. Once you've subscribed to ToothLogic.ai, you will receive your login credentials as a clinic admin. Enter your email and password to access your personalized dashboard. As soon as you log in, you'll arrive at your clinic dashboard, designed to give you complete visibility of your practice. Here, you can monitor total clinics, active services, appointments, doctors, patients, and revenue all from one place. As a clinic admin, you have complete access to all features inside ToothLogic. You can create new clinics, add doctors, register front desk officers, define services, assign doctors to those services, and manage lab submissions and clinical encounters. Front desk officers have limited but essential access. They can schedule and manage appointments, update patient information, and assist with daily operations, while the clinic admin supervises and approves everything. Doctor can view their appointments, submit encounters, and add lab cases. This role-based system ensures smooth coordination. Doctors focus on treatment, front desk officers handle scheduling, and clinic admins oversee the entire workflow from one platform. Once you're inside the ToothLogic dashboard, you'll notice a structured and intuitive layout designed to simplify clinic management. On the left sidebar, you have all your major modules organized for quick access. Dashboard, your main control center where you can view real-time performance metrics. Appointment list, manage all scheduled, upcoming, and completed appointments. Patient, access complete patient records, clinical history, and ongoing treatments. Lab and clear aligner lab, submit cases, track aligner production, and review lab updates. Under clinic centers, you can manage clinics, add new branches, and monitor individual clinic performance. Services, create and update all dental services offered in your practices. Patient feedback, review ratings and comments shared by patients. Under the Users section, doctors, add new doctors, assign roles, and view their performance. Front desk officers, manage staff responsible for scheduling, coordination, and patient handling. Next is your Finance section, giving you complete financial transparency. Billing records, doctor earnings, revenue breakdown, appointment revenue overview, clinic overview, request services, doctor payout. At the bottom of the menu, you'll find the System section, your control center for platform preferences. Front-end setting, update your clinic's branding and interface appearance. Settings, manage clinic details, subscription preferences, and system configurations. FAQ, quick access to common questions and help articles. Post instructions, add or update post-treatment instructions for your patients. At the top of the screen, you'll find your quick access navigation. Dashboard, return to your main overview anytime. Clinics, view and manage all clinic profiles. Appointment list, instantly access all upcoming and past appointments. Encounter, review patient encounter notes and clinical records. On the right, you also have dark or light mode toggle, notifications, language selector, and profile menu. On the central dashboard, you'll see a complete snapshot of your clinic's performance. Here you can view the total number of clinics, active services, appointments, doctors, patients, and your overall revenue. This section also displays your annual revenue trend, giving you month-by-month visibility of your financial growth. To the right, you'll find patient age group insights, helping you understand the demographics you are serving. Below that, the dashboard shows upcoming appointments and a detailed payment history, allowing you to track daily operations and financial activity in real time. This is your main control center, giving you everything you need to monitor performance and make informed decisions across your entire clinic network. Before you begin adding doctors or scheduling appointments, you must first create your clinic profile. Only the clinic admin has permission to add and manage clinics. Click Clinics from the left panel or at the top. Here, you'll see the list of all clinics under your account. To create a new one, select the New button at the top right. A Create Clinic form will open on the right. Upload your clinic image and brand mark. These will appear on all patient-facing documents. Then fill in the key details: clinic name, email, description, contact number, specialty, time slot duration, and status toggle. Scroll down and complete the address information including country, state, city, postal code, latitude, and longitude. Once everything is entered, click Save. Your clinic will now appear in the clinics list and is ready for assigning doctors, services, and appointments. Short add-on for viewing and editing sessions. After creating the clinic, you can open View, edit, and delete the clinic details. Sessions allow you to set working hours, breaks, and close days for the clinic. To manage appointments efficiently, clinic admins can add front desk officers directly from the ToothLogic portal. From the left menu, go to Front Desk Officer. This page shows all existing FDOs linked to your clinics. To add a new one, click the New button at the top right. A Create New Front Desk Officer form will open on the right. Start by entering the basic details, first and last name, email, gender, phone number, password, and confirmation, date of birth, status toggle. Select the clinic they belong to and enter their address, including country, state, city, and postal code. You may also upload a profile image for the FDO. Once all information is filled in, click Save. Your new FDO will now appear in the list and can begin managing appointments and daily clinic operations. To add a new doctor to your clinic, go to the left panel and open the Doctors section. Here, you'll see the complete list of doctors linked to your clinic. To add a new doctor, click on the New button on the top right. A detailed Create Doctor form will slide in from the right side. Start by uploading the doctor's profile image. Enter their first and last name, email, gender, and contact number. Set a password and confirm it. Next, add the doctor's professional details, including their specialty or area of expertise, and a short introduction. Under Other Details, select the commission structure, assign the doctor to a clinic, choose the services they will be performing and their experience. Now enter the location details such as postal code, country, state, city, and full address. Further down, you can add optional information, clinic coordinates using latitude and longitude, including social media links, and all academic qualifications. You can add multiple degrees if needed. Finally, upload the doctor's digital signature and toggle the status to activate the profile. Once all fields are complete, click Save. Your new doctor will now appear in the doctor list and can be assigned appointments, services, and sessions immediately. From the left panel, open the Services section. Here you can view, create, and manage all services offered at your clinic. To add a new service, click the New button on the top right. Upload the service image, select the service type, and fill in the required fields: product code, clinic, duration, price, and time slot. Add a brief description, enable discount or advance payment if needed, and use the status toggle to activate the service. Click Save to publish it. Once created, the service appears in your service list. From here, the clinic admin or FDO can assign a doctor, update service status, edit details, or delete the service when required. After the admin adds the FDO, doctor, and services, the FDO can log into the portal with the provided credentials and begin registering patients. Front desk officers can register new patients directly from the Patient tab. Click on Patient in the left menu. To create a new patient, click the New button on the top right. A form will open on the right panel. Enter the patient's basic details. Upload the patient's image, and then enter their first name, last name, email, gender, date of birth, phone number, and CNIC number. Set a password and confirm it. Enable or disable the patient's status. Fill in the address, including country, state, city, and postal code. Once all fields are complete, click Save. The new patient will now appear in your patient list and can be assigned appointments. Click Appointment List from the left panel or at the top. The appointment list gives clinic admin, FDO, and doctors a complete overview of all scheduled visits. Here, you can instantly see patient details, date and time, selected service, assigned doctor, appointment status, and payment status. The FDO can search, filter, or apply advanced filters for more refined results. Appointments can also be exported for reporting. When creating a new appointment, simply select the patient, Their contact details appear automatically. Next, choose the clinic, doctor, service, quantity, appointment date, and time slot. The system calculates the charges automatically. Click Save, and the new appointment instantly appears in the list. After the FDO schedules the patient's appointment, it appears in the doctor's dashboard. The doctor can log into the dashboard using their credentials, allowing them to accept the intake, manage the patient encounter, and complete the workflow. Click on the appointment list. In the status column, you'll see pending, confirmed, check-in, and canceled options. Only the doctor can check a patient in when they arrive. Once checked in, the doctor can click Encounter to begin adding complete clinical details. The doctor must fill the 9-step patient history form. Each step captures essential clinical information. Step 1, Demographics. Enter the patient's basic details: full name, date of birth, gender, occupation, address, phone number, email, and emergency contact. Step 2, Medical History. Record any medical treatments, past hospitalizations, systemic diseases, pregnancy breastfeeding status, allergies, and medications. Step 3, Dental History. Add details about the last dental visit, issues experienced, dental fears, and overall dental behavior. Step 4, Chief Complaint. Write the main reason for today's visit in the description box. Step 5, Clinical Exam. Perform and record extraoral and intraoral findings, gum health, pocket depths, occlusion, sign of bruxism or clenching, TMJ status, missing restored teeth, bleeding on probing and mobility. Step 6, Radiographs. Select the radiograph type taken and add findings in the notes section. Step 7, Diagnosis and Plan. Provide the diagnosis, propose a treatment plan, timeline, discuss risks, benefits, alternative options, and confirm whether patient questions were addressed. Step 8, Dental Chart. Mark cavities, restored teeth, missing teeth, or retained teeth on the interactive chart. Step 9, Informed Consent. Lastly, record patient and dentist signatures confirming the proposed treatment plan and consent. After completing all 9 steps, the doctor saves the form and can proceed to close the encounter. This opens the billing window for final charges. Under Add Item in Billing, choose the service, enter quantity, and the system auto-calculates the total. Click Save to add it to the invoice list. If the patient is paying in parts, go to Add Installment. Enter the amount, choose payment mode, set the date, and click Save. Below, you can review the updated totals: service amount, payable amount, paid amount, and remaining balance. Once everything is correct, click Save and Close Encounter to finalize the visit. You will now land on the final invoice page, showing clinic details, doctor information, patient details, services charged, and payment status. From here, you can print or download the invoice. After completing the payment, return to the appointment list. The appointment status will update from pending to complete, and the payment status will automatically change from pending to paid. The lab section is designed exclusively for doctors. Here they can create and manage prosthodontic lab reports for their patients. To begin, click the Lab Report button on the top right. A detailed form will open where the doctor selects the patient, doctor, case type, and case status. Next, enter delivery date, add notes, and choose the impression type. Upload prosthodontic files such as prep scans, pre-op images, bite scans, and any additional attachments. Scroll down to select the specific teeth involved in the treatment. You can also add shade selection, margin details, contact tightness, and occlusal scheme. Once all information is filled in, click Save to generate the lab report. The report will now appear in the lab list for future tracking and updates. The Clear Aligners Lab section is designed specifically for doctors who want to submit or manage aligner cases. From here, you can initiate a new ClearPath aligner case. Once you click Clear Aligners Lab, you will be securely redirected to the ClearPath Dentist's portal, where all aligner case submissions are handled. On the Dentist's portal, you can upload patient scans, submit case details, review treatment setups, and track progress throughout the aligner workflow. The Patient Feedback tab is where clinics can review all feedback submitted by their patients. Front desk officers usually share a link or QR code with patients so they can fill out the feedback form after their appointment. When the patient opens the form, they begin by selecting their name, doctor, and the service they received. Next, they enter their basic details such as full name, email, phone number, age, and clinic location, along with a short description of the treatment they received. The feedback form then asks the patient how they found out about the clinic, followed by a complete rating section. Patients can rate their overall experience, clarity of consultation, pricing satisfaction, staff behavior, and their satisfaction with the treatment outcome. They can also add any additional comments to help improve the clinic experience. Once submitted, all patient feedback entries will appear inside this tab, allowing the clinic team to monitor quality, address concerns, and maintain a high standard of patient care. And that's how you use ToothLogic.ai, a unified, intelligent clinic management platform designed to streamline your workflow, enhance patient experience, and keep your practice running smoothly. Thank you for watching.